Qingdao Huashida is a professional manufacturer of pre-insulation pipe equipment, offering pipes with diameters ranging from 110 millimeters to 2,000 millimeters. The company has developed 4 major product series, including steel pipe blasting machinery, PU foaming systems, PU foaming platforms, and jacket pipe extrusion lines, which can meet the diverse needs of different customers. The company has sold 860 sets of pre-insulation pipe equipment, achieving a market share of over 30% in China. With a dedicated technical team and after-sales service, Huashida provides customers with comprehensive design solutions, installation guidance, and training services. Its products have been exported to more than 40 countries, including Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Iran, Russia, Nigeria, India, and Thailand. Huashida high-efficiency and energy-saving pre-insulation pipe equipment wins the market through advanced technology and gains the customer recognition through exceptional service.